This CIF is going to be more informative in nature. I want to talk to you a little bit about cloud computing. Some of you might have heard the term, some of you might even use it, but I just want to talk a little bit about it because there is a use in it probably for the things that you do. With cloud computing, what that means is that you can do everything that you want to do online. So you can keep all your files online and have all your applications online. So you can use basically any computer and you have access to everything that you'd want to use. This is my home page. I use Chrome, and this is my home page on every computer that I use. The reason being is that I have all my bookmarks that I use, my main ones that I use right here. I have, I can personalize it for what I use. I want to show you how to use something called Google Docs. You can see all the other things that Google has in it, but for today I want to show you a little bit about Google Docs. You can see I use it quite a bit, and the more I use it, the more I like it. From Google Docs, what you can do is create a new, and it gives you a whole bunch of options. Today we're going to do a document. Now this is absolutely free. You can tell that it's not nearly as robust as let's say Microsoft Office, but you can't beat the price, and for most of us it has the main buttons that you'd use in Microsoft Office anyway. If I start a new document, let's call it just test, you can see that it is private only to me. If I want to share it, like I can type this up, but let's say I want to share this document with somebody else so that we can work on it together, or I want to give somebody the permission to edit this as well, because I get a question about this a lot. What you can do with Google Docs is click on the share button up here, and you can add people that you want to share it with. What I usually do is click this option up here, and I make it shareable with anyone with the link. There's no sign-in required, and I allow anyone to edit. Again, no sign-in required. This can all be changed should need be, but this works for me. So I do that. It'll give me a link right here. I'll copy it, and now I can email this link out to anybody I want. You can now see that this is shared with anyone who has the link. So what I'm going to do is paste this link here. I'm going to send it out to a friend. And I'm going to send it out. So now all he has to do is click on the link, and he'll be able to edit this with me. So now you can see that anonymous user 1 is viewing, Don is logged in, and he can type and you can see it in real time. Okay. Well, there you go. So you can see what he's working on. You can see the benefit of having something like this. If you're working on a document that a whole bunch of people have to work on at the same time, you can use this synchronously or asynchronously as well. So you can see that that this has some value should you need it. Now, Google Docs is what we're using. There's also Microsoft has, cloud computing as well. This is just the one that I use because I like it. It works well for me. The advantages to having something like this, cloud computing, it's online, you're accessible from anywhere, any computer with internet connection. There's really no need for backups because it's saved in the cloud. Disadvantages, you need to be online to access it. If you don't have it downloaded, you can download any of these documents to your hard drive if you want to use it offline as well. So that kind of shows you a little bit about what cloud computing is, and also what Google Docs has to offer. You can also, I should show you just a few more settings here. You can publish to the web. Like if you have a document that you want to upload, it takes no time at all. You click on it and it'll publish it to the web. You might wonder why, but maybe sometimes you might want to embed the HTML code for a page that you created into a web page or a blog. That'll give you access to that. If you go back into sharing settings, I can reset the link if I don't want people to log in anymore. I can reset the link or share it with other people. I can change who can edit. I can do all of this as well. So it's very user-friendly. Okay, it looks like Don is writing me a story, and I will end it here because I'm sure you probably have better things to do than to read what Don has to say right now. Okay, again, if you have any questions, let me know, and we'll try to answer them.